Yes, I do. I believe that one day I will be where I was, right there, right next to you. When it's hard, these days just seem so dark. The moon, the stars are nothing without you. Your touch, your skin, where do I begin? No words can explain the way I'm missing you. Deny this emptiness, this hole that I've inside. These tears, they tell their own story. Told me not to cry when you are gone. But the feeling's overwhelming, it's much too strong. Can I lay by your side, next to you, and make sure you're right? I'll take care of you. I don't